Hi, and welcome to the Registers video. We will go over the Registers feature inside Store section of CronySoft BackOffice. The Registers page allows you to review the registers available in your store and see important activity connected to each register. To access it, go to the Store menu and click on Registers, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the Register page opens, you will see the list of registers available for your store. This screen gives you a quick overview of each register, including details such as register ID, shift ID, the cashier is currently working on that register, and the activity recorded during the shift. This is useful for owners, managers, and back office users because it helps you monitor what is happening at each register without needing to be physically at the POS. First, review the register ID. The register ID helps you identify which register or POS station you are viewing. If your store has multiple registers, this makes it easier to know which station the activity belongs to. Next, review the shift ID. The shift ID shows the current or related shift connected to that register. This helps you track activity by shift and understand which transactions belong to that cashier's working period. Now look at the cashier's information. This section shows which cashier is currently working on the register. This is helpful when reviewing sales activity, refunds, drops, or any register-related actions. The registers page also shows transaction activity such as sales completed in the system, refunds, drops, and other register movements. This gives you a quick summary of the register's performance and activity for the day. If you click on a specific store register, you can view more detailed information for that register. Here, the system may show the number of receipts created for that day, along with activity such as sales, no sales, voids, drops, and refunds. These tabs allow you to review different types of register activity separately. For example, under the Sales tab, you can view completed transactions. The list may show receipt number, date and time, cashier's name, total before tax, tax amount, and total amount. If you want to review a specific transaction, click the receipt icon. This will open the full receipt details for that transaction. Over here, you can review information such as receipt number, date and time, tender type, cashier, register number, item details, sold quantity, tax, totals, and payment amount. This is helpful when a customer has a quick question about a transaction when a manager needs to verify a sale, or when you need to review exactly what was sold. From the receipt preview, you can also view or download the receipt in a PDF format. You can also send the receipt by email. Click the email option, enter the recipient's email, add a message if needed, choose whether to include a PDF attachment, and then send it. There is also a video button available for transactions. If you are subscribed to the live receipt with DVR recording service from My Account subscriptions and your cameras are set up and active, you can view the video recording for that specific transaction at the cashier counter. This is useful when you need to verify what happened during the sale, refund, void, or other register activity. Keep in mind that video playback is exclusively available on iOS and Android. To use this feature, please access it from a phone or tablet. If you're trying to access video playback from a desktop or unsupported device, the system may show a message letting you know that this module is only available on iOS and Android. The registers page is mainly used as a monitoring and review tool. It helps you understand register activity, cashier activity, transaction movement, receipt details, and if subscribed, video playback connected to specific transactions. And that's it for the registers feature in CronySoft BackOffice. In the next video, we will continue with the next store options inside store module. And I'll see you guys in our next video.